welcome to my channel Rithika's World. I'm Rithikaa. Today I'm going to be introducing my best friend Srimai.
Hey guys, I'm Srimai. What are we going to be doing in this video, Rithikaa?
I've got so many requests to do different type of videos, and one of them was from Arumama. He asked me to do slime.
I'm super duper excited, but what type of slime are we going to be doing today?
Today we're going to be making butter slime.
So let's get started.
Before we get into today's video, here are a few clips of us having really fun playing with the slime. Slime is satisfying to watch. It is a great way to relieve stress. It gives more fun than any other playing things. So make sure to make the slime at home and have fun.
The material you will be needing to make the slime is clay. We're using Model Magic clay.
You're gonna also need some colors and decorations of your choice. We're using red color and we're using gold and red glitter.
You will also be needing Elmer's glue
and some activator. We're using magical liquid, but you could use boric acid dissolved in water or Tide or saline solution or even baking soda.
And the last item you will be needing is cream, moisturizer.
Also, I'll be posting the link to the materials and where I bought them in the description box below. So if you need them, go check the description box.
So let's get started. Thank you so much for inviting me in your video. I had so much fun making the slime with you.
It's my pleasure, Shrimai. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.